On a rainy day, I found a little monkey on the road and tried to save it. It was very weak, so I took it to the vet for treatment. It recovered quickly. I gave it its first milk. It wasn't scared of me at all. It loved being held by me, just like a baby. It was really obedient during the bath, not making sound. I rewarded it with some fruit. It even learned to play with phone. I gave it some milk before bedtime. Worried about it. Feeling lonely, I found a playmate for it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe